Hello, welcome to this Trinny kitchen. We're in the kitchen, I cook today. Now today I'm supposed to do a special stew peas and rice for Makina Denkins in Atlanta. But Mrs., we just get up and we have work so we have to do something quick. So, you're going to learn how to cook a special treat for your husband now, the chicken breast, which is more healthier than you. Because with the stew peas, you have to put pork in it and pork pigtail and all something when not good for you. So, Miss Harry, your salt, the salt there, right? No. You're going to take it with yourself now, and you're going to learn how to cook, because some of you girls there, you have a boyfriend, you have your husband and everything, and you still don't know how to cook. That's why Miss Trinny is here. You get me? Right. So we're going to prepare everything. Now, the first thing you prepare, you see how my chicken look lazy. You see it look good? Huh? I have the best cook right in Florida right now, Miss Trinny in the kitchen. Damn right, remember that to no waste, girl. When I do nothing else, I don't know fat ass. Only if you get a bang, poke and lose some weight. Right, now I don't even know, aren't you? Right. So you see, we cut up the chicken breast very small into little portions. We cut them up into little portions. And we season it with red pepper, garlic, onions, and Cajun season. Let me show you the Cajun season, because some of you don't have no sense. No sense whatsoever. You don't know what to pick up in the store. Right, Cajun season. You could pick up this one. Let me see now what we have in my cupboard. You could pick up this one. Either one, it doesn't matter. This one is a little bit more saltier, and this one is a little bit more peppery. Yes, I like both of them, depending on what mood Miss Trinny is in. But me using this one for the chicken breast. Because you know, chicken breast meat is soft, so the season go through the meat very quickly. I would use this little peppery one, yeah. Yes, yes. So, another thing that you can pick up in some supermarkets, even Bells, media Bells, you get the crushed red pepper with the garlic, me say, and have a little dispenser spoon, so you don't overdo it with the seasoning. You can measure a little seasoning, and you see how easy Miss Trinny is making everything for the waist, girl. Yes, dear child, so you season up. Stay with me, I'm going away. You season up your chicken, then after you season up your chicken now, you put some vegetable oil or olive oil or canola oil and glaze the chicken. And then you knead it. You knead it like you need your man back. Someone will know, even massage, you know, the husband or waist man back and take after the man and look after the man. I want the man a plate feel. You don't have no time, you don't give the man no loving. The same way how you love your food and look after your food, you look after your man. That's how I watch these waist girl. They don't want to cook, they want to buy McDonald's every minute, Burger King and Pizza Hut and the rest of it, and Chinese food and chippy food. No, look after your man. That's why the man no have no strength to give you a good ride. Because you not ride properly in the kitchen for the man body broke down. You see how your man body broke down? Anyway, you need the seasoning and you glaze it and you leave it for about 20 minutes for it to soak in. Now let me tell you something about seasoning. After soaking, as the food not going to taste right, it still have to taste bland. Right? The next thing that I prepared, which is easy, it's only the preparation. Once you know, prepare everything, then you do not cook in that hour. Now, Brussels sprouts, so for those whiskey, I don't know what Brussels sprouts look like. They look like little cabbage. Good, full of iron for your body. You understand? Since Miss Trinny in the kitchen so much, me start eating right. And guess what? Me come up for the blood pressure. Medicine. Me say when me check my blood pressure the other day, they say they could believe it, 113 over 76. Never. My blood pressure is always 180 something over 106 or 98 or something. Since I start eating properly and more healthy and organic food. Listen to me, people. Where's people? No, I want to that quick. Right? I'm not getting no cramping if you look after. So get with it in the kitchen. Right? That's why Miss Trinny is here. Right? So you have your Brussels sprouts and you put that in the pot. Now, I'm going to make a combination of vegetables and stuff. Now, you have your Brussels sprouts in the pot, then these little white onions, organic again. Let me get the packet and show you. Hold on. See? These white French onions, they're the best. That and red onions is good for you, better than a regular onion. Anyway, I use all three depending on what I'm cooking. So you're going to peel, if you like, the white onion. But if you don't want to peel it, make sure you wash it off and it will peel itself when it's cooking down. So we're going to take this now, whisk, yeah, and we're going to put it in the pot. And we're going to mix it up with the Brussels sprouts, and that will give it flavor, everything, you know, flavor. Some of the girl can't even cook the man chop and the food, eh? What less girl? Yes. Anyway, now we're going to mix organic carrots. They taste very good, and let me tell you something. When you boil them with the white onion, it softens the onion, and when you put it in your mouth, it just glares. I don't know about things when you put it in your mouth at night time, eh? And it don't melt in your mouth, right? It chokes in your mouth, right? Anyway, make sure, right? So I don't like cutting off all these green stuff. Not everything. I cut about here. It's more classy. So you're going to take a knife, a big sharp one, yes, and I'm going to cut it. Hold on a minute, let me do it on the side. So I've already washed it, but what you got to do, scrape it a little bit. So make sure, let me move over here. Let me show you how to scrape it. We're going to take this kind of knife now. See the edge? And it's real thin. And we're just, let me turn the camera this way. We're just going to scrape it like this. Right? Just like that. Going to scrape it just like that. And you see? It looks good. So we just do that real quickly. It don't take more than a minute just to do one. Yeah? And then we leave the stem like this. And you see around here, when I want to catch nothing, we're going to clean it up now. Yeah. So you're going to do that all for your carrots. Yeah? Alright, so while I do that, I'm going to get back to you. The trimming from the carrots, from the organic carrots, you're going to save some of them, wash it real good, and guess what? We're going to use it as trimming around the plate to decorate the dish. So just don't throw it out like that. You must make your meals interesting for your man, that he wants to eat. You know why up till now, no matter how I cross my waist husband, he don't leave. Two things. Up to last night he said it too. My cooking is fabulous. Miss Trinny's cooking is fabulous. And they good underneath, right? So no girl pick me, make sure the good underneath stay good, and on the kitchen I run right. You understand? Listen to Miss Trinny now. You keep your man, right? Some of you don't know for keeping a man. Them gone missing in action, eh? Even them I put out reward, nobody can find them still. May I tell you? Hold on, we're back now. So this is how your carrots, your Brussels sprouts, and your white onions should look in the pot, okay? Yes, and it's beautiful. We're going to put some hot water now and fill it up to the top because we want everything to bubble. Yes, and we're going to put it on the stove, and we're going to add just a little touch of butter or margarine, preferably butter, because butter's better than margarine, okay? Yeah, so just hold on a minute. So welcome back to Miss Trinny Kitchen. So now we're going to put the chicken breast in the grill. You have a grill, it's best to grill your food than fry it all the time. It gives it a better taste. And actually, this chicken breast has been seasoned over an hour, so the flavor can stay through. And we're going to put it on the grill for, we don't want to overdo it because we want it juicy and nice and tender. We don't want it hard. So I'm going to put it in this power grill, which you can get at Walmart, Finger Hut, any of those stores that cook the food real quick. I think 20 minutes should be good because it's chicken. And we're going to put it like that. Let me kind of show you how it looks. Yeah, something like this. Yeah? And we're going to put it 320 degrees. I'm not going to turn it all the way. And we're going to put it on 20 minutes and let it go. The last thing we got to do is the rice. Now, I just don't like any rice. No, Miss Trinny can't do that. I get the best rice from India, which is the jasmine rice, or you can have the abasi rice. Oh, my mom said wild rice. Yeah, so I'm going to, you wash off all the starch. Make sure you wash it off 2 to 3 times. Get rid of all that starch. And then you're going to pour the hot water on the rice. And we're going to put it on. So while the chicken is cooking, the rice is going to cook. And we got the stuff cooking in the pot. Can you see it there bubbling? Yeah, steaming up the camera right now. Yeah. So that's it, Miss Trinny in the kitchen, baby. So I'm going to cook for the mother and have no excuse, Miss Trinny. I teach you something. To try hang on pan the man. You have to hang him by his stomach, man. Yeah, make the son of a bitch stay with him there. Yeah.